What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to change your loadout in the finals. As you can see here, you can go to Contestants, then you can choose one of these three contestants right here. You have the light, medium, and heavy. Every one of these characters has its own loadout with its own weapons and grenades. If you want to edit your loadout, you can choose one of these characters, then click on edit. Then you can edit your loadout. You have here the specialization or something like the ultimate, which is used by your queue. And here you have also the weapon. You can choose any one of these weapons, gadgets and grenades. I have many options right here. Here we have more gadgets. You can also use the defibrillator to revive your teammates faster. And you have two loadouts right here. You have this loadout, and this is what are you gonna spawn with when you first enter the game. And you can also have the reserve loadout, which you can change inside the game by pressing the J button when you die just before you spawn. You can press J and choose one of these reserve gadgets or weapons and replace it with your current loadout. So what you should do is to change your own primary loadout and put the things that you might use in your reserve loadout so that you can use it or change it inside the game. Now, all these three contestants, as I said, has its own loadout. So let's go to the light one right here. So edit. It has more light weapons, but it's very effective and it's very powerful. You have also some other gadgets like vanishing bomb right here and stun gun, glitch grenade, motion sensor. And for the specializations, you have evasive dash, cloaking device, and grappling hook. You can do the same thing with the light character. You can change your primary loadout or your reserve loadout. Then jumping into the heavy, so you can also do the same thing to the heavy character. And that's all for today. I hope this video was useful to you all. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video was useful to you, and subscribe to get more tutorials about the finals. Thanks for watching and see you soon.